Hi guys, welcome to Cars and Technology. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at a piece of technology from LG. This is the LG V30 Plus, made in August of 2017. And we'll see how this thing holds up in 2019. Let's go ahead and power it on and see how this phone performs. Alrighty, looking at the specs of this phone has a 6-inch 2880 by 1440p PLED display, and it has two cameras on the back. The main camera, which is 16 megapixels, and a 13 megapixel ultra wide. And this phone is in this cool, I believe this is called Aurora Black if I remember correctly. And this is the plus model, meaning that from the regular V30 that this phone has 128 gigabytes of storage instead of 64. And just looking at the home screen here, it's looking pretty good, pretty simple. And with this phone, you can actually add a app drawer, but this is completely stock, as if it was open brand new back in 2017. So this phone also has a headphone jack, and with this specific phone, this has the high quad DAC, meaning that when you plug headphones in, it has a built-in equalizer that will help enhance the audio when listening with either earphones or headphones that take a 3.5mm headphone jack. And also, this phone does have a 3.0 Type-C port, able to fast charge in 30 minutes to 50%, which was pretty good at the time, which was becoming a standard. And now for the battery is a 3300 milliamp hour battery, which is pretty decent for the phone of this size. It can get probably almost a day's worth of use, moderate use to be exact, but heavy use, you're probably gonna have to stick to by a charger for about between 4 to 6 hours. This battery will last on heavy use. And other than that, this phone is running Android 8.0 on the Sprint network. Now, currently, Google has yet to release the 9.0 Android Pie update on this phone. It has been released in South Korea and Australia already as of December of last year. So this phone is kind of lacking in the software updates currently in the US market. But other than that, my experience for 2 years with this phone has been pretty good. It does have a bit of hiccups sometimes when trying to have a bunch of apps opened in the background. You're trying to multitask. But other than that, camera is pretty good. Sorry, I forgot to set up this thing. Camera is pretty good for the most part, and it does record 1080p at 30 frames per second, which is pretty decent at the time versus the other competitors back in 2017. And as you see, the ultra wide is pretty fantastic, considering that the fact that most of these phones at the time had a telephoto lens instead of a wide angle, which now the 3 cameras is now a standard in 2019, having a regular, a wide angle, and a telephoto. Really quick here, everyone. Here's a couple of pictures of what the LG V30 could take of the landscapes and also a stadium, along with a couple of waterfalls and everything. But other than that, we'll go ahead and get back to the other part of the video after these pictures are done being shown. So overall, my thoughts on this phone here. This phone has treated well for the last 2 years, but I feel like it's time to upgrade. I know typical people normally like to upgrade every 2 years, but I feel like this thing has had its chance to shine, and it had pretty good connections other than when a weird apartment complex or in a actual business building that this phone would lose service somehow. But other than that, compared to another Moto phone, that this phone had probably one of the largest bands of LTE ever to be put on a phone. Other than that, that is the end of this video. And if you would like to comment down below, if you would like to see any other tech videos, any car reviews, or just anything you would like to throw down in the comments as an idea for the next video. Other than that, this has been a tech review video, and we'll see you next time on CNT.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me